guys, it's Leda Lam here to discuss our latest product. I can't believe I haven't made a video of this yet. Here we are, let's do it. Fresh Eyes. Fresh Eyes receiving numerous accolades. You guys gotta check out our reviews. People are talking about how fabulous it's making their eyes feel all hydrated. It's diminishing the fine lines around the eyes. Very good stuff. Fresh Eyes has a high concentration of robust actives to really help with puffiness and lines and to refine the texture around the eyes, darlings. It's got a unique blend of actives that improve the appearance of dark circles around the eyes. Brightening right here. It's got creasine and N-hydroxysuccinimide. Did I say that right? I hope I did. And HMC, which is hesperidine methyl chalcone. And these ingredients work together to help improve the appearance around the eyes, helps with circulation, helps with diminishing the little leftover blood from the capillaries under the eye skin. Really good ingredients, guys, look them up. It's got dipeptide 2, which helps smooth the texture around the eyes, as well as palmitoyl pentapeptide 4, which is an oil-soluble peptide, so it has an affinity with the skin and it has akin to retinol. So very good peptides for the eye area. It's got organic blueberry seed oil, which is particularly good for sensitive skin and has a high concentration of tocotrienols. Tocotrienols is a more potent form of vitamin E, which helps with antioxidants around the eyes. Very good. And also, the blueberry seed oil has a heavenly scent. So we have no artificial colors or flavors in our products at all. It's all the flavor, the fabulousness comes from the natural and potent ingredients. Oh, it smells really yummy. It smells delicious blueberry. It's just so delicious, like you want to eat it. It's so good. It's just a nice, light, hydrating. It's lovely. Fresh Eyes Molecular Restoration Serum, that's the name of it. So it's a serum, meaning it has potent ingredients in it, although it is a creamy-like texture, as you can see. Creamy. So it's perfect for under eye preparation for makeup. And you can just do it all around the eye area. But the creasine and the N-hydroxysuccinimide working together with the HMC, we'll say, really do work together to help diminish the darkening. Really amazing. We have a fabulous review, so you guys should check them out. Very hydrating, so delicious. I mean, we are coming out with a moisturizer soon, which is gonna be even more delicious. People were saying how they wish they could just smear this all over their face. I noticed that actually as I was applying it more frequently, it was kind of drawing down into this area where I have some broken capillaries. I did see a difference there. So I do think that those HMC and the N-hydroxysuccinimide and creasine do have an effect with the blood capillary situation. So very exciting. Stay tuned for our moisturizer. So this one, this precious bottle of cream specifically for the eyes, you might want to just stick with the eyes. Moisturizer coming up. It is fab as well. So I just wanted to give our Fresh Eyes a little tout. Thank you for listening, you guys. I had not done a video on our latest product because we're just in product development mode. A lot of this and that's and the other. So please check us out if you care about your eye skin. Yes. Goodfacestuff.com. That is my brand, you guys. There's links in the description. We do have an affiliate program if you're interested. You can go down the description and I have like a little purple heart and a purple unicorn. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and do the affiliate link. Why not? So that's it, guys. If you're interested in eye cream, do check us out. Fresh Eyes. Bye. Danger. What do you want? Creasine and wait, hold on. Let's just call it HMC. Danger. And with diminishing, it's got dipeptide 2 and palmitoyl pentapeptide 4, which is, and palmitoyl pentapeptide 4. It's got dipeptide 2 and palmitoyl, danger. It's got dipeptide 2, which helps refine the skin around the eyes. It's got dipeptide 2, which helps achieve smoother skin around the eyes, and pentapeptide No, I keep saying that wrong. Damn it. Just wanted to give it's got dipeptide 2, which helps refine the texture around the eyes, as well as pentapeptide. It's got dipeptide palmitoyl pentapeptide 4, which helps, yes, tocotrienols, which is a more potent form, and it absorbs in really nicely, and really real nice. It's just so deliciously, like, I want to eat it. It does help with, but those ingredients, the HMC, what is it called? With the HMC and the creatine N-hydroxysuccinimide, I thought it was more well known, but we have an affiliate link down. If you're interested, it's got organic blueberry seed,